What's up, everyone? I hope you guys are having an awesome day, enjoying yourselves out there. It's your boy Stan with Stanley's Reviews. Today is going to be a review about a can of flexseal, pretty much. I have a little issue. I have a major problem with a roof leak that transpired a couple weeks ago while I was away from the house, and I came home only to see the ceiling pretty much discoloring and changing colors and stuff of that nature because the sheetrock got wet. So this video is about using Flex Seal to see how good Flex Seal is in sealing all these leaks that I may have on the roof. So I'm going up on the attic to actually get everything squared away. From there, using this can, Flex Seal. There's also Flex Seal Max if you guys are interested in that as well. I'll leave the link for this in the description below as well, but I'll show you exactly how I was able to do this with 2 coats of this Flex Seal can right here. Let's get into the video further. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as well. Let me know what you guys think, because Flex Seal definitely did come to the rescue and help me out during these winter months for sure, because I'll get the roof done in the summer for sure. This is the leak in question. It's actually becoming a huge puddle of water that's been accumulating over time. So today I'm going to be addressing it with Flex Seal and making sure that this doesn't occur again until summertime when we can get the roof done. So that's pretty much that in a nutshell. If you look up here, there's a huge puddle right there that was over there. I took care of that. I've also taken care of that. So it's actually 3 puddles total. I'm gonna actually get that all completely done and also repaint these as well. This is Flex Seal. I'm gonna be using that to actually seal a leak that's over there, all the way in over there. And I had a little leak over here, roof leak that is, and I already applied 1 coat, and as you can see, it's already curing, and I just need to do a 2nd coat of it for sure. So now the problem is getting over way back there on my attic to actually get that squared away. So let me get into it further, and I'm going to show you guys how I get over there. All right guys, as far as this spot is concerned, it's time to do a 2nd coat on it. I'm gonna be using Flex Seal, of course, and to be safe, you want to make sure you have safety glasses on when using Flex Seal. There's Flex Seal, there's Flex Seal Max, there's white, black ones also in this coat, in this can, I meant to say. There's different colors that you can get. Obviously, there's the paint where you can roll it on there as well, but I don't have time to do that. So this is the best alternative for right now. But the safest way to use this is to actually have safety glasses on, because I'm in the attic, so I'm probably going to be upside down or sideways spraying this. So with that being said, that's that in a nutshell. And also, I would suggest using a plastic bag of some sort so you don't get the insulation of the attic onto your body as well, because that could get quite itchy. That could be an itchy situation. So that's what I'm doing right now as we speak, and I'm going to show you guys how this works in a nutshell. So my can is actually open now, and I'm spraying. There we go. That's all you need to do is just spray it. And that should bring me plenty of coverage right there. As far as that is concerned, See how much coverage I'm getting there? All right, now in order to address this part here, because I was able to spray 2 coats of flexseal onto the attic ceiling. So now we're going to be using Ben primer to get rid of all these water marks pretty much. I was able to spray it down with some Clorox bleach and got it somewhat presentable so we can actually put some primer on it and paint it later on. And now this is how the ceiling looked like when it's been primed. So now the next step is to actually paint it once this dry, and we should be good.